Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, we use this command to install Git and curl on your system. Run the following command. Next, use the following command to download the latest extended version of Hugo. After downloading, we install Hugo using the following command. To confirm that Hugo was installed correctly, run the next command. Now, create a new Hugo project called My Website by running the following command. Next, change the directory into our new website folder. To manage our website with Git, we initialize a new Git repository inside this project. Add a theme to our website using Git submodules. Run the next command. To tell Hugo to use the ananke theme, we add a line in the hugo.toml configuration file with the following command. Now we create a new blog post called hello-world.md. And finally, start the Hugo server by running the next command. The D option includes drafts, and the next bind allow external access, and we set the base URL to our server IP address. Now you can start work with it.